So good afternoon all once again.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good
Okay.
afternoon, ma'am. How are
Good
you, ma'am?
afternoon. Good afternoon.
What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing good, my dear. Austin, show me the clock.
Ma'am, your wallet clock.
Okay, what's the time now? Austin, what's the time?
11 o'clock.
Okay, good. By
Ma'am,
11
your
o'clock.
wallet clock.
Okay, Pratana, you can also show me once again.
Ma'am, your wallet clock.
Yes. What's the time now, Pratana? 3 o'clock. Okay, good. Then let's move to next one. Aisha, show me the clock.
It is a
Aisha
rabbit
is showing the clock.
Ma'am, it is a rabbit clock.
Yeah, rabbit clock. Yes. Aisha. Ah, yes. Aisha, show me the clock.
Yes, ma'am. I will show
Aisha facing network issue. That's why.
Ma'am, take workbook.
Yes. What's the time now, Aisha?
It is not Aisha, ma'am.
Aisha, where are you?
Ma'am, Jewel Maria is showing.
Okay. What's the time, Aisha, now? Please unmute and tell me what's the time. You're facing network issue. That's why.
Ma'am, Sarah
Okay, it's
showing.
3 o'clock.
Ma'am, Jewel Maria is showing.
The Evelyn clock. See the clock. What's the time, Evelyn?
Ma'am, Sarah showing.
You keep that hands of the clock properly. No. Look, you just look that. And the minute hand towards the number 12. Minute hand towards the number 12. Now it is only 6. Look at the clock. Evelyn, look at the clock. Make that. Yes. Now what's the time? Evelyn, what's the time now? Unmute under.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, super. Good. Now I saw. Ridvik, show me the clock.
Subtraction.
Show me the clock, Ridvik. Okay, what's the time now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, good.
Sir, can I show? Mom.
Now anyone else? Yes, Sarah. What's the time, Sarah? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Okay, good. Okay, let me. Sudha Kirti is also showing. Sudha Kirti, yeah, super clock. Sudha Kirti, show me the clock and tell me what's the time. 6 o'clock. Very good. It's 6 o'clock. Good. Then anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, Hyan, I already saw your clock. No, yes. So Agnay, yes, you also showed me. Now listen, those who didn't make, you can make by this week. Okay. Now you please listen here. Please listen here. No need to take the notebook now. Please listen. Last class, I gave 4 questions to do. Okay, you have to solve in the notebook. That I will discuss now, but no need to write now. Okay, you can check it later. Now you please listen here. Okay, after that we will continue. Today also the same topic and tomorrow new topic. So please listen here. No need to write now. And in between don't talk. I will call out the name and they will give me the answer. Others, please listen. Let me share the screen. And I gave you the first question. 52 minus 36. It was 52 minus 36. 52 minus 36. Now, please listen. Here, the first step, we have to write the places. 52 is a 2-digit number. 36 is also a 2-digit number. So we can mark the places tens and ones.
16.
Please be quiet. I didn't ask the answer. Please listen. Adinath, you have to tell me. Okay, you have to help me to complete the answer. Others, please be quiet. Why I am calling only one person? Because those who didn't understand or those who want more clarification, please listen. Okay, okay. Adinath, which is the first number here? I have to write. Which number I have to write first?
36.
The number is? Tell me, Adinath.
Ma'am, Adinath said 50.
I can't hear actually.
Ma'am, 52.
52. Okay. Now next number, it is 36. Now we can put the symbol minus. At one space, it is 2 minus 6. Is it possible 2 minus 6, Adinath?
No.
No, it's not possible. So we have to regroup the tens space. Here we can see the tens space, it is 5. So we are regrouping 5 tens. Okay. Now 5 tens is ready to share 1 10 with a 2. 1 space. So 5 will become 4 tens. 5 tens will become 4 tens. 2 will become 2 plus 10. What is 2 plus 10, Adinath? 2 plus 10. What's the answer? 2 plus 10? 12. Okay, 12. So we can write here 12. Now we can continue the subtraction. Okay. Now at one space it is 12 minus 6. What is 12 minus 6, Adinath? 12 minus 6. We can open our fingers. 6 can become 12. So after 6,
12 minus
6. Very good. Very good, Adinath. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we open 6 fingers. So the answer is 6. So that is 6 we can write at one space. Now we can move to the 10 space. 10 space, it is 4 minus 3. What is answer 4 minus 3, Adinath?
1.
1. Very good. So the answer is 16. We got the answer. Now let's move to the next one, which I gave last day. And it is 65 minus 26. Now let me ask. Anaya, will you help me to complete it?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me write the places first, tens and ones. Now we can write the bigger number first, and here I have the bigger number 65, smaller number 26, and we can put a minus symbol. Now at one space it is 5 minus 6. Is it possible, Anaya?
No.
No, it's not possible. So we have to regroup the tens. And the 10 space, we can see the digit is 6. Okay, 6 is ready to, 6 tens is ready to share 1 10 to 1 space. So 6 tens will become how many tens?
5.
5. Very good. 5 tens. Now 5 will become 5 plus 10. What is 5 plus 10?
15.
15. Okay, good. So we can write 15 here. Now we can continue the subtraction. At a ones place, it is 15 minus 6. What is the answer? 15 minus 6. 6 can become 15. So you can open your fingers. After 6,
I'm right.
no need to write. Yes, what's the answer? What's the answer, Anaya? After 6, we can do together. Okay, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, how many fingers we opened?
9.
9. Very good. So, we got the answer 9. That 9 we can write at one space. Now, we can move to the 10 space. 5 minus 2. Very simple. What is 5 minus 2?
3.
3. Yes. So, the answer is 39. Okay. Thank you. Now, we can move to the next one. I, J, K. Now, K I have given 15 from 33. 15 from 33. Now, Jewel Maria, will you help me to complete?
Yes.
Yes. So, Jewel Maria, 15 from 33. That means 33 minus 15. Let me write the places. Tens and one spaces. Which is a bigger number, Jewel Maria?
53.
Which is a bigger number?
Ma'am, what's the numbers there?
It's 33. Now, smaller number?
15.
15. Now we can put the symbol. Now at one space, it is 3 minus 5. Is it possible 3 minus 5?
No.
No. So we have to regroup the tens. The 10 space, we can see the digit 3. So 3 tens are there. From that 3 tens, 1 10 sharing with the ones place. So 3 tens will become how many tens?
3 tens will become?
We took 1 10 from 3. So 3 tens will become?
13.
No, I asked about the tens space. So 3 tens will become 2 tens. And 3 will become 3 plus 10. That is equal to 13. So it will come 13. No need to write. Please listen. Now, 13 minus 5. Jewel Maria, what is answer? 13 minus 5.
13 minus 5, 8.
Please be quiet. So Jewel Maria will tell me the answer. See, 5 can become 13. So you can open your fingers. After 5,
8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Up to 13.
13.
11,
11,
12, 13. So how many fingers?
I'm right.
How many fingers you open?
I'm right.
No need to write. How many fingers you open? Jewel Maria? 8. You open 8 fingers. So we can write the answer 8 here. Now at the 10 space, it is 2 minus 1. What is answer 2 minus 1, Jewel Maria? 1. So the answer is 18. Thank you. The answer is 18. I gave you one more, that is L. And L here we have 24 from 61. Adel Maria, will you help me to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 24 from 61. So we can write a 61 minus 24. Let me write the places. So tens and one spaces. The bigger number is, which is a bigger number, Adel Maria? 61. Who is talking in between? Please unmute Adel Maria once again. 61.
61.
Okay, which is the second number?
24.
Oh, yes. 61, 24. Let's write the minus symbol. Now, at one space, it is 1 minus 4. Is it possible 1 minus 4, Adel Maria?
No.
No, it's not possible. So, we have to regroup the 10 space. Here at the 10 space, you can see the digit is 6. So, 6 is ready to share 1 10 with 1 space. So, 6 will become how many tens? 6 tens will become?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. 6 tens will become how many tens? We are taking 1 10 from 6 tens. So 6 tens will become?
4.
6 will become, if you are taking 1, 6 will become how much?
60.
Listen. Here we have 6 tens. Okay. From 6 tens, we are taking 1 10 and giving to 1 space. So 6 tens minus 1 10 equal to 5 tens. So we can write the number 5 there. Now, 1 is getting 1 10. That means 1 plus 10. What is the answer? 1 plus 10?
Is equal
when
to
we are adding 1 to a number, we get the next number. So 1 plus 10 is equal to? After 10 we have 11. So 1 will become 11. Now we can continue the subtraction. Okay. 11 minus 4. What is answer? 11 minus 4. 4 can become 11. Okay. So we can count up to 11. After 4, count. After 4, 5.
Ma'am, this is right.
No need to write. Adel Maria, please tell me. After 4, 5. How many needed? 4 has to become 11. So how much?
6, 7,
After 4, 5,
9,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers we open? How many fingers we open? You do once again. After 4, is 7. Okay, once again. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we open 7 fingers. So the answer is 7. Now at 10 space it is 5 minus 2. What is answer 5 minus 2? Adel Maria?
3. 5 minus 2.
Is equal to 3. So the answer is 37. Now, please listen. Those who join late, why I said no need to write? Because these questions I gave you last working day. Okay, for doing. That's why I said no need to write now. I will send the same answers in the group. You can check later. Now we will do some other questions. Okay. So we completed up to L. Now we have M. Now you can take your notebook. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Now I will give you some questions you have to do. So here we have question M. And the question is...
Ma'am, right?
Yeah, you have to write. 50 minus 39. Do it. 50 minus 39.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You can't see the board.
Yes.
I will see 50 minus 39.
Ma'am,
50 minus 39.
every page is finished.
You finish all the pages. Then you write in the rough book and later you copy into the max notebook.
Ma'am, I answer is 19. Ma'am, answer is 19.
You check your answer once again.
Ma'am, answer is 39.
39 is the number only, no? Second number. Then how it comes the same number 39 as an answer? We are subtracting 0.
Answer is 1.
Answer is 1. What you are telling? Please do it in the notebook and show me.
Ma'am, answer is 29.
Who is that telling? Huh? Did you do in the notebook? Did you do in the notebook? Do it in the notebook and show me.
Ma'am, I can see
Yes, it's 11. That's the correct answer. It's 11. That is the correct answer.
I question.
So others, please do it in the notebook. Sarah, are you doing in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So please do it. Complete it and show me.
I can see the I question.
I question and all I will send in the group because it's already given last working day. That means last Friday. And at answers I will send in the group. So you can check it. Now you please do M. 50 minus. Very good, Hayan. It's good.
Ma'am, answer.
Show me, Manav. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just let me take you. Yes, 11. See, you can cut it. That 5 you can cut. Only one cut. Huh? Then you can write 4. Then 0 you can cut. Then you can write 10. Okay, Manav, good.
Teacher, iron complete.
Yes, Irene. Show me. Yes, Irene. Very good.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am, Pratna. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, answer is 11.
Answer is?
Ma'am, the answer is 11.
Answer is 11. Okay. Now, all of you please be quiet. Let me call one and he will tell, or he or she tell me the answer. Okay. Now, Marin, will you help me to complete it? Aradhi. Okay. Marin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell me. Please help me to complete it. Okay. Let me write the places here. Tens and one space. Which is the first number, Marin?
50.
Yes. Second number?
39.
Yes. 50.
Minus 39.
Okay. Just 1 minute. 50, 39 minus.
Can you send in the WhatsApp?
I will send. Now you please listen. See, at one space, it is 0 minus 9. Is it possible, Marin? 0 minus 9?
No.
No. So we have to regroup it. So here we are regrouping the 10 space. Here we can see the digit to 5. Okay. 5 tens is ready to share 1 10 with the 1 space. So 5 tens will become which? How many tens?
4.
5 tens will become?
4.
4 tens. Okay.
4 tens.
And 1 space it is 0. It's getting 1 10. So 0 plus 10. What is answer? 0 plus 10?
10.
10. Okay, good. So instead of this 0, we can write 10. Now we can complete the subtraction. At one space, it is 10 minus 9. What is answer? 10 minus 9, Amarin?
1.
9 can become 1 if you're giving 1. So it will be 1. Then 10 space, it is 4 minus 3. What is answer? 4 minus 3?
1.
Again, we get the same 1. So the answer is 11. Okay, thank you.
Answer is
Now,
11.
N. Please write question N. The question is 53 minus 47. Do it. 53 minus 47.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Evaluate.
I will send all the notes in the group, my dear. The question is 53 minus 47. 53 minus 47.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I will get the answer. Ma'am,
Okay, what's the answer? Malavika?
Ma'am, the answer is 6.
The answer is 6. Very good. The answer is
6.
Malavika, will you help me to complete the answer?
Memorize.
Yeah, you have to write. Malavika,
Ma'am,
help me to complete the answer. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, here we have 53 minus 47. Let me write the places. So tens and ones places. Which is the first number, Malavika?
53.
Okay, let me write the number. 53. Now, second number?
47.
47. Let's put minus symbol. Now, at one space, it is 3 minus 7. Is it possible 3 minus 7?
No.
No. So, we have to regroup it. Now, we can regroup the number 5. See, the tens place, the digit is 5. That means 5 tens are there. So,
Yes.
5 tens is ready to share 1 10 with the 1 space. So, 5 tens will become how many tens?
4 tens.
4 tens. Now, 3 will become 3 plus 10.
13.
3 plus 10 means what's the number?
13.
13. Okay, so we can write the 13. Now we can continue the subtraction. 13 minus 7. What is answer 13 minus 7? 7 can become 13.
6.
So how many fingers we have to open?
6 fingers.
6 fingers. That means after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we open 6 fingers. So we can write the number 6 here. Now we can move to 10 space. 4 minus 4. What is answer? 4 minus 4?
0.
0. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. So the answer is 6. Let's move to O. And here we have O. 71 minus 52. Do it. 71 minus 52. Minus 52.
Ma'am, answer is 19.
Yes.
Answer is 19.
What is the answer?
9.
Ah, yes, it's 19. Okay, good. Answer is 19. Do it.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Question is 71 minus 52. 71 minus 52. Yes, Sarah, you got? What's the number you got? 19. Okay, good.
Ma'am, got it.
Okay, what's the answer?
90.
Okay, good. Junaida Joshi, will you help me to complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me write the places first. And here we have tens and ones. So here, first number here.
71.
Yes, it's 71. Second number?
52.
52. At one space, it is 1 minus 2. Is it possible 1 minus 2?
No.
No, it's not possible. So we can regroup the 10 space. At the 10 space here, we have 7 tens. So 7 tens is ready to share 1 10 with 1 space. Okay? Okay, Edel. Now, so 7 tens will become how many tens?
6.
6 tens. Very good. Now, 1 will become 1 plus 10. What is 1 plus 10, my dear?
11.
11. So we can write 11 here. Now, we can continue the subtraction. 11 minus 2. What is 11 minus 2? 2 can become 11. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many How many fingers you open?
9.
9. So 11 minus 2 means 9. So you can write 9 here. Now at 10 space, it is 6 minus 5. What is answer 6 minus 5?
1.
1. So the answer is 19. Good, good. Thank you. So one more question. When I will send the notes, there will be 4 more questions you have to do. So you have to do it. Now we will do P. And the question is 75 minus 48.
There are 3 questions.
Question P, 75 minus 48. Please do it. 75 minus 48.
7 minus 48. 10 minus 75 minus 48.
Abhinav, can you see the board? Abhinav, can you see the board?
What is the question?
Question P is 75 minus 48.
The answer is 27.
Ah, yes, the answer is 27.
30.
Please do it in the notebook and show me.
The answer is 27. Ma'am, I did not complete.
Okay, good.
I have completed.
Okay, okay. Mohammed Rishan, will you tell me, will you help me to complete the answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me write the places.
Ma'am, answer is 27.
Ah, okay, Marin. So here we have tens and one space. Mohammed Rishan, which is a bigger number here?
70.
Ah, 75. Let me write 75. Second number, 48. Let me put a minus symbol. Okay. At one space, it is 5 minus 8. Is it possible 5 minus 8, Rishan?
No, ma'am.
No. So we have to regroup the 10 space. At the 10 space, we can see the digit is 7. That means there are 7 tens. And 7 tens is ready to share with the 1 10 to one space. Okay. So 7 tens will become how many tens?
And the answer is 27.
Others, please be quiet. Rishan, tell me. 7 tens will become
50.
6 tens. Because 1 10 is sharing with the one space. Now 5 will become 5 plus 10. What is 5 plus 10?
5 plus 10 is 15.
Very good. Good boy. So we can write 5 instead of 5. We can write 15. Now we can continue the subtraction. Okay. Now 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8.
See, 8 can become 15. So how many fingers we have to open?
7.
7. See, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One of 16, no, it's only 15. So what's the answer? 7. Okay, 7. Now, 10 space, we have 6 minus 4. What is the answer? 6 minus 4? 2. So the answer is 27. The answer is 27. So when I will send the notes in the group, I will give you 4 more questions. Please copy into the notebook and solve them. Okay. And tomorrow we will take the new concept, that is subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. That is the last topic in that chapter.
Ma'am, thank you to one.
See, I am giving some questions. Other than some questions are there in the textbook. You can also do it whenever you are free. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So I'm going to stop sharing. All the notes I'm taking, I will send in the group. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next one.
Thank you, ma'am.